Technical. I'm back again with another video, and then today we will do OnePlus Nord N10 customization. So first you want to go into your settings, and where it says customization, you want to hit it, because now this OnePlus device has a lot of things you can customize right out of the box. So you don't even have to really have a launcher on this phone to do customizations. And I really love that. That's something I wish Samsung would pick up and follow along. So first, you can pick your theme. You can either have it illuminate light or the... I'm going to show you. Let me show you this. Right now I have it on a very dark. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but that's what I have it on right now. And you can get vibrant tints, illuminating light, or that one. And that's the one I have it on as of right now. And then you can also change your wallpaper. Right here, it'll show you what it look like on your lock screen and on your home screen. Or you can pick from the OnePlus wallpapers already on the app. But now let's get into the real customization. So, oh yeah, you can also pick what clock you want if you have ambient display on. But I currently don't have ambient display on right now. So, system customization. So down here, it says buttons. So this will let you change the background color of your icon buttons. So right now, I do want it on purple to follow my theme. And then once you pick a color, you would hit customize. And then you want to go up here and hit save. And then boom, as you can see, automatically it changed the background color of your icons. And then you can also go here to where it has tones. You can change the tones. You have colorful, you have light, you have dark, and I'm currently on dark, so this is what it'll show you what it look like. And if you hit this one, it'll look like that. And if you hit colorful, it'll look like that. But I want to leave it on dark to match my theme. So down here you get, well, that was accent color at the top. Okay, so down here you get system icons. You can change the shape of your notification panel icons. I really love that. So you can go from this one to like a raindrop shape. You can hit save. Get your raindrop shape like that. That's different. Or you can go with a more rounded, well, not rounded, more square shape like that. Or if you're not feeling that, you can also have it rounded. Hit save, and boom, they're round. And that's what I want to leave it on right now, rounded. But the cool thing about this is you have a choice to change the icons. You can have the rounded icons. I'm on the oxygen icons. But not only that, you see this button down here? You can go to the Google Play Store. Let me see if it'll click. You can go to the Google Play Store automatically. And you can download any icon pack you want to. I don't want to do that right now. But you would download a different icon pack. And then once you're done, it'll pop up over here, and then you're able to change your icon without even having Nova Launcher or a launcher, period. And the reason why I say Samsung needs to follow in OnePlus footsteps is because, yes, Samsung does a lot of customizations already, but they don't have it to where you can change your icons. The only way you can really change your icons on a Samsung device is if you have a launcher, a third-party launcher running on there. And some people don't want to do that. Some people like the launcher, the system launcher. They just wish they can change a little bit more with the system launcher. And this OnePlus device lets you do that. You don't even have to have a launcher on here. It'll let you do it right from customizations. And then you also get your font. Now, this one doesn't have a lot of fonts like Samsung. It'll let you download a lot of fonts. But you can get different fonts, which is okay. Maybe I can go download more. I don't know. I haven't really dug deep into that part yet. But I'm really loving the customization. The accent color, you can change the accent color. And so I have the Hulk wallpaper, and it has a purple tongue. And then at the top here, I have purple. My notification bar colors are purple. And I like that, because I like to match my home screen with my apps if I can and stuff like that. So that's cool. And then if you come here and you press on here, then you get home settings. You get launcher layout. You're able to show the home screen only or home screen and app drawer. I like to leave it on home screen and app drawer. And then you also get a choice of, you get the notification dots. And like I said, there's the icons. Then you get your home screen layout. This goes all the way up to 5x6. Like I said, you do not need to really run a third-party launcher on this OnePlus device. And I'm guessing that's how it is with all OnePlus devices. I'm not quite sure, because this is my first OnePlus device. But since I've had the device, that's what I'm loving. But yes, you can change the style of the home screen grids to 5x6. It goes, you can have 3x5, 3x6, 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, or 5x6. And I like to keep mine on 5x6. And then you can hide some spaces. It says slide outwards with 2 fingers on the home screen to enter hidden space. And then it says slide to the right in the drawer to enter hidden space. And that's cool. But this was just a quick little video of how to customize your OnePlus Nord N10. I'll catch you in another video. I'm out.